Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a limited edition Look Fantastic Beauty Egg Collection gift to show you, and it's in this massive box. Beautiful, beautiful design. So this is the very first time I've ever had one of these and I am super excited. I haven't looked inside, I've just had a sneak peek at the leaflet, but I love a bit of a surprise, so I wanted to do it on camera. So then, let's open it up and show you what it looks like inside. So inside contains 7 massive eggs and they're full of beauty products. Now the box costs £65, but if you're a subscriber to Look Fantastic, you can have a £10 discount, which will cost you £55. Now the total value of these products comes to £250, so that's a whopping saving of £185. So this is what they look like here. These eggs are rather large, just to show you. That's what they look like. So these are going to be handy actually, because if you didn't already know, I've got a couple of kiddies, so I'm going to be recycling these and hiding them in the garden, and I'll be keeping the beauty treats for myself. But they are stunning, absolutely gorgeous, really, really beautiful. So this was kindly sent to me as PR to show on my channel, to show you, to tell you all about it, to let you know when it is released, and it will be released on the 1st of April. There'll be links down below, so if you want to sign up for their waiting list, because sometimes these boxes tend to sell out super fast, but if you're interested in this box for yourself or as a gift to someone, as an alternative to a chocolate egg maybe, then click on the show more, which is beneath this video, and that will bring up my description and links to Look Fantastic, links to this Easter egg, and links so that you can be added to the waiting list. It'll be listed all down below, so check that out if you're interested. Inside this box you also get a leaflet, so I'll just put this down to the side of me. So in here it tells you everything about the products. Now it doesn't tell you the pricing, but in front of me I've got the pricing ready, so as we go along I'll give you a little bit of information about the products and I'll tell you the cost as well. But as you know, it's worth £250, so you're going to have an idea of the value of these items anyway. But you've got Elemis, Laura Geller, you've got Colour Wow, Foreo, Erna Laszlo, Bare Minerals, and what else have we got? We've got Aroma Works, so we've got 7 products altogether. So let's open the first one. First egg. And that's how it looks like, that's how it's packaged. So we've got 2 things here. This is by Colour Wow. The first one is Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, 50ml, magically transforms texture, amazing humidity, proofing powers. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Never tried this before. I'm not sure even if I've tried this brand before, but this is the 50ml spray there, so that's that. And then we've got a Colour Security Shampoo, the ultimate dream clean, sulfate free, sans sulfate, leave no residue behind to dull colour, weigh down hair or impede hair growth. And this is 75ml there. Maybe you can, the ring light is reflecting off that. So those come as one. So the 2 together are deluxe sizes and they both come to £21. Refresh hair from root to tip with this gentle cleansing shampoo that eliminates impurities without over drying hair. Catering for coloured hair, the shampoo is utilised with a Japanese amino fortified complex to prevent breakage and dryness. Achieve a sleek finish with a supernatural spray, a silicone free spray that combats frizz, controls moisture levels and humidity, proofs hair. Guaranteed to not leave hair greasy or weigh down. Expect smooth hair that is frizz free for days. That sounds wonderful, especially like when I'm summer months then, or going on holiday. So those are the first items in the first egg. This is the second egg. Oh, what's inside it? I can't open this one. Oh. I can't open this one. Oh, there we go. Okay. Got an Elemis product. I love Elemis. So this is their Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix, and it's a wrinkle smoothing night cream, and this is in 30ml. Ooh, there you go. So this is the deluxe size and the value is £87. So a revolutionary anti-aging cream that uses the maximum concentrate of powerful marine extract, Padina pavonica. This daily cream transforms the skin with ingredients that fight against free radicals. This cream's antioxidant properties lift and hydrate the skin. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. Really excited. I think I've tried a sample tiny one before, but it'd be nice like to give it a proper go and see what my face is like and see what my skin is like over a week or so of using it. So that's the second egg. Next is this one. Yeah, easier to open. What have we got here? We have got a Bare Minerals Good Hydrations Silky Face Primer Hydrate. Ah, right. My egg just went on the floor. Never mind. That's what that looks like there. So this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £25. So let's see what it says here. Achieve a smooth makeup application with this hydrating makeup primer, enriched with hyaluronic acid, glycerin and coconut alkanase. This formula replenishes moisture to improve the wear time of makeup with a soft focus effect. This primer reduces the appearance of fine lines and pores, giving the complexion a flawless finish. Wow. I've never tried this before, so I'm really, really excited to try that. So that's our third egg. Next, we got a gorgeous rose gold colour. That was easy to get off this time. Got something in, oop, hold on. What is this? It's the Foreo Luna Play. Now these are really, really amazing. They're a facial cleansing tool then. I'll get it out and show you. But I have actually got one. I've got a little bit bigger than this. It's probably another half a size bigger maybe, but I was kindly sent it from a lovely subscriber last year who sent it to me to try, and I've been meaning to do a review on it, but in all honesty I don't understand how to use it properly. So you connect it to an app and it works out the best skin routine for your face and everything. So because I've been finding that a little bit tricky, I haven't got round to doing the actual review or anything. So I'm going to be doing like an up-to-date skincare regime video, and I am going to be using that because I've got it in down at the bathroom downstairs and I use it at night. It's just to deep cleanse your face and it's so lovely, especially if you're applying like a sheet mask and you're going out for the night, you know, doing it part of your skincare routine. It really, really feels lovely. So I will be doing it in a video. I will be showing you and I'll try and get as much information as I can. But as far as working out the best for your skin type, as far as the app is concerned, I can't do it, unfortunately. It just confuses me. So if any of you lot know, let me know down below. But this is what it looks like there. So it's a little mini one. These are gorgeous. These feel lovely. So it pulses and it vibrates on your skin, and then it tells you then to go on to the next area of skin. And you can also find out your skin age as well. It tells you how dehydrated your skin is. So because this is a mini one, I'm not too sure how much this can do. There, can you hear it? Can you hear that? So there's a little button on the back there. So maybe this is different, as in this just you press the button and it works and that is it. Maybe the other one I've got is a little bit more advanced. I'm not too sure, but these are quite expensive. I'll find out the cost of this now. But oh no, that feels lovely. It feels so good. So this is a mini version and the recommended retail price is £29. I think the one that I've got is £100. I think it's come down in price over the last year, but I think they were retailing for about £100. So this is the mini one. So what's it say? So it's Foreo Luna Play and transforms your skin with this ultra portable facial cleansing device with a Luna Play's 1-minute ritual. Perfect for all skin types, this facial brush encourages healthy skin. A travel-sized device combining T-sonic pulsation technology with Foreo's signature silicone touch points. This device cleanses and exfoliates in just one step with a dual zone range of silicone bristles. Thicker bristles help perform an intense cleanse, while softer, thinner bristles cleanse sensitive or normal skin. Easy to operate, this 100% waterproof device lasts up to 100 uses. So that's the item in our fourth egg. Next egg, let's open this. Okay, ooh. Oh, I think this is an Erno Laszlo item. I recognise the packaging. This is what it looks like there. Yes, and it's the massive bar. We had a little mini of this in a Look Fantastic a couple of months ago. It's really nice. It's a cleansing bar, so this is the full size. Look at the packaging, isn't that super cool? That is super cool. You could just leave it in there. It's got its own casing, so you can leave that in the bathroom. I love that. So this is a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, and this is a full size, and the recommended retail price for this is £30. So you can just see a little bit there. Ooh. Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Harness the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea Mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar. Contains 26 minerals. This bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, this bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. So that's that one. Egg number 6. Ooh. So we got a Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops. So this is 15 ml, it's full size, and the recommended retail price is £21. Never tried this before. Oh. Sorry, I know this annoys you because I wear so many of them. They make a heck of a racket, I know. I'll just hold them. So what's it say here? This is in shade Ballerina. Shake well to blend pigments and oil before use. So I'm going to try this on my hand. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a peachy tone colour. That is so, so lovely. Really lovely. And by blending it fully into my hand, it honestly looks exactly what the type of dewy sort of finish I want on my face. I don't like full-on strobing highlighter or anything. I like my highlight to be quite natural, almost wet looking. So I like it to be shimmery but not in your face, mainly because of my age really. I'm developing fine lines, and if I put anything too sparkly around this area, it just accentuates it more, that's all. But no, this is gorgeous. Looking at my hand here, you can't notice much, which is good. But in certain lights, in certain ways, you can really see it's sort of sparkling. Oh, I'm gonna love this. More so in like the summer, I tend to wear more CC creams than foundation. I tend to use things like this. I know this is illuminating drops. I tend to use them either in my foundation, or I apply it to the skin first and then I apply the CC cream or the light foundation on top, just to give myself like a glow from within sort of look. So no, I'm really, really chuffed to try this. The information says that it says transform dull and lackluster skin with these high concentrated ultra pigmented liquid multi-use illuminating drops formulated for ultimate versatility. These can be used on bare skin, blended with moisturizer or foundation, or layered for the ultimate glow. Oh, so I wonder if you get different shades then. There is a few different shades on the front here, so I'm not sure if we would get different ones. I have got Ballerina, which for me is perfect. I prefer more of a gold sort of shimmer than a pinky one. But yeah, so I'm not sure. If I find out any information, I will let you know down below. But no, so that's our 6th egg. So 1 egg to go. Let's open it up. Ugh. What is this? Something large. Oh, AromaWorks London Anti-Aging Bioactive Formula Absolute Eye Serum Mask. Okay. All skin types. Conditioning, hydrating, anti-aging. 200 mils. Pure aromatherapy. That's what it looks like there. The outer packaging. So that's what it looks like there. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £36. And it says, apply daily to the eye area to rejuvenate the skin before using AromaWorks Day or Night Cream. All right then. What? It doesn't say mask on here, but it just says it says masks on the outer packaging. So it says Absolute Eye Serum, rejuvenate the delicate eye area with this fast absorbing anti-aging formula that smooths and moisturizes skin. Enriched with bioactives, the serum minimizes the appearance of dark circles and wrinkles with hyaluronic acid, plumping the skin. Oh gosh, okay, hold on a minute. I've been using this daily for the last couple of weeks since I had the Look Fantastic Mother's Day box. I love it, really love it, but if I put a slightly bit too much on, it makes the rest of my makeup go a little bit bitty. You'll need tiny bits, so I'm wondering whether this might be better for me. I do love this, so maybe using this maybe as a night cream for my eyes. Well, it's this serum. I'm assuming it's going to be more of a liquid. Oh, it's all lumpy. Oh, look at that. I wasn't expecting that. Can you see? I'm not sure. There, it's all lumpy. Oh, that's hard. It's like jelly. See, eye serums and eye creams, they last forever. They last such a long time, because you only need a tiny bit and just dab it around your eye area. But no, I put on too much now, too much of a squirt on that hand. But no, that shocked me. It's sort of like a jelly formula, but it is lighter than that cream. So I'm going to look forward to trying that in as part of my daytime skin routine. And I'll use the Pry for my evening. I'll switch that up a bit. So no, so that's our 7th item. So to recap then, this box costs £65, or if you're a subscriber to Look Fantastic, it'll cost you £55. The value is £250, so you're saving £185. So in all of the eggs, I'll just go through them one by one. So you have Colour Wow, hairspray and hair cream. So next egg, you have a Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix Cream. Next we had a Bare Minerals Good Hydrations, a face primer, like a soft focus face primer. Then we had a Erna Laszlo, a cleansing bar, which is in there. Next egg, we had a Foria Luna Play. It's a mini travel size cleansing device. Next we had a Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops, and I had it in shade Ballerina. And then lastly we had AromaWorks Absolute Anti-Aging Eye Serum. So that's what that looks like there. I am super chuffed. I'm really grateful that Look Fantastic sent me this. Oh, it's just brilliant. As soon as I saw it, I opened it up. I had two of my youngest kids around me and they're like, oh, wow, is that for you, Mum? And they thought it was all chocolate eggs. And I was like, no, it's all beauty products. And they're like, so they've got no interest. But oh my gosh, absolutely excited to have it and to try everything out as well. I really can't wait. There's some amazing products as always, well thought out. And yeah, it's a little bit different than your usual chocolate egg. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think this is an amazing box? Do you think it's good value for money? Is it a box that you're interested in getting for yourself? All thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. As I said at the start, if you are interested in this box, I will have links to join the waiting list down below, so click on the show more and it'll all be down there. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.